Hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling aims to alleviate latency issues by offloading some of the scheduling tasks from the CPU to the GPU itself. To enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling on a Windows system, you typically need to have a compatible GPU driver and compatible hardware. Here's how you can enable it.
First, open your Start menu. Open Settings. Select System. Select Display. Click on Graphics. Choose the game you want to access your Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA graphics card. Click on Options. Choose which graphics card you want to use. The high-performance selection should be the best one. Now press Save to apply the settings. If you want to find out which graphics card your PC is using, right-click your Start menu and select Task Manager. Go to the Performance section. At the bottom, you will see which graphics card your game is using. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.